Hello everyone and welcome back. I thought for today's video I'd take you further into nature. I found a quiet forest nearby, picked a beautiful spot near the river, and filmed a feel-good flow. This flow will leave you feeling opened and relaxed, as if it was a breath of fresh air for the body. So when you're ready, find that child's pose and settle in for the full experience, allowing yourself to be fully immersed and letting go of any judgments or attachments. Release your resistance and inhale and exhale. Inhale again. And on the exhale, release any negative emotions. Maybe bring the knees out into a wide-legged child's pose. Just allow yourself to be comforted in this calming pose and to check in with the body. On the next inhale, roll it forwards, keeping the knees bent if you can. Bring the torso down to the mat. And inhale to lift to a variation of cobra. You can release the feet if this is a bit much for you, but just add a few waves here. Gently easing into the back to begin with. Then release the legs and inhale, reach up, deepen into the cobra. Exhale to lower. Inhale to lift up into your plank, and exhale, lift the hips up and back into your downward dog. Let the heels sink towards the mat. Find that length in the torso and just breathe here. And then we're going to add a few spinal waves here. So inhale, round that back forwards to plank. Exhale, arch it back to your down dog. Inhale, round forwards, arch back. Just work on moving that spine fluidly and smoothly here with control and precision. Remembering the neck is still a part of the spine, so add that into your wave. One more inhale to plank, and then exhale, raise that right leg on your way back, holding our three-legged dog. Exhale, bring that knee through the middle, step it between the hands. Get your foundation, take a breath. Exhale. And inhale, reach the arms up, connecting the palms for crescent lunge. Take a deep breath here and bring that left heel to the mat. If you need more of a base, then bow down towards the right leg, bringing the hands behind you. Bend the right knee again. Inhale, reach the arms back up. Then exhale, bring those hands back to the mat. Lift off of the right leg, step it back into plank, and exhale, lower down through chaturanga. Inhale to upward dog, and exhale to downward dog. Deep breath here. On your next inhale, begin those spinal waves again, rounding forwards and arching backwards. Inhaling and exhaling. One more, and then on the next exhale, raise that left leg up, come into your three-legged dog. Inhale, bring the knee towards the middle, step it between the hands. Get your base and your foundation. Then inhale, reach the arms up for that crescent lunge. connecting the palms. Exhale, bring those hands behind you, extend that left leg. Again, bring the right heel to the mat if you need more stability. Bend the left knee again, inhale, reach the arms up. And exhale, cascade them down back towards the mat. Step the left leg back to plank. And either take your flow or head straight back to downward dog. Take 2 deep breaths here. Then on that third inhale, walk up between the hands, come into a halfway lift. Exhale to fold. Bend the knees, inhale, rise all the way up, connecting the palms, and exhale to flow it all the way back down to your fold. Keep a bend in the knees if you need it, and breathe deeply. Inhale to a halfway lift, and exhale, step that left leg back. Inhale, raise the right leg up and bring it all the way up to a 3-legged dog, keeping a bend in the right knee, trying to reach the foot for the head. Exhale, round through the spine, step the foot between the hands. Inhale briefly up to your crescent lunge. And then exhale, bow down over that front right leg, bringing the hands to the mat if you can. This is a bit too much for you, re-bend that right leg. Then re-bend the right knee. Inhale to lift the left leg up and hop it back to your halfway lift at the top of the mat. Exhale here, and then inhale, rise up to mountain. Exhale to fold. Inhale back to your halfway lift, and raise the right leg. Exhale to step it back. Inhale, lift the left leg off the mat. Bring it all the way up and back for 3-legged dog, bringing the left foot towards the head. Exhale, bring that left leg back between the hands. Inhale, rise up to crescent lunge. Exhale, bow down towards the left leg and extend the left leg. Aiming to bring the hands to the mat if you can. If this is difficult, bend the left knee and bring that right heel to the mat if you need stability. Rebend the left knee and hold just for a moment. Then step it back up to halfway lift, raising the right leg and bringing it next to the left. Exhale to fold. Inhale, rise up, connect the palms. Exhale, fold down. Fully releasing, release the neck, the head. Maybe grab onto the elbows and swing side to side. Inhale halfway again and step the left leg back. Pivot on the foot, come into your side lunge. So if going this deep is a bit hard for you, definitely stay at a higher level. Just find wherever you feel that inner left thigh stretch. From here, we're going to take a seat on the mat. So if taking a seat from this position is too much for you, definitely bring that left leg in and take a seat, then re-extend the leg. Bring that right leg on to the inner left thigh and inhale, reach up, exhale to fold over the left leg. On the next inhale, swing the hands towards the front of the mat, reach up, place your weight on the right shin and the left leg and tilt the chest towards the sky, coming into a little bit of a back bend. Exhale back to the front of your mat and step it back to down dog. Next, inhale, walk between the hands, come into a halfway lift, and exhale to fold. Feel free to grab onto the elbows and rock side to side here again, releasing all the way down. Inhale halfway, raise that right leg up and step it back. Coming into our side lunge on the other side. Find your level where you feel most comfortable in this pose. Looking for that inner right hamstring stretch. Take a seat in whichever way is most comfortable for you. Bring the left foot onto the right thigh. Then inhale and exhale down towards that right leg. Inhale back to the top of your mat. Reach the right arm up, extend the right leg, and base yourself on the left shin. Tilting the torso for the sky and slightly back bending. Exhale, bring it back to the top of your mat and step the left leg back. Take a breath or two in your down dog. Then either walk or hop to the top of your mat, take a seat, and bring those knees into the chest. Just let yourself relax. Take a deep breath in, and on the exhale, bring the legs over to the left for a spinal twist. Bring the knees higher than the hips. Inhale back to the middle, and exhale, take it to the other side. Try and keep those shoulders on the mat. Inhale back to the middle, reach the arms up, extend the legs out. Bring the palms together at the chest, and then release them down by the hips, allowing the feet to find that natural position, and fully relaxing and releasing in your Shavasana. Take some deep, refreshing breaths of air, and release any negativity, any nagging thoughts causing you some resistance. And focusing on your breath. Now feel free to end our class here or make your way to a seat. But wherever you are, thank yourself for practicing today, for flowing, for breathing, and for taking this breath of fresh air for the body and for the mind. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope to see you soon, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day.